These are the cast iron pipes.
Fumes. Gotta get my mask on. All right. Welcome back to the channel.
My channel is called TheRilwan. I blog about my investment properties and also my struggles, ups and downs with dealing with contractors and dealing with building issues that arise during the construction or renovation of my properties. And I help others renovate and develop their property.
Thank you so much to the old subscribers and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. Ground plumbing. No the other grounds today, so they think of the trench where they're gonna put the pipes. Trench.
Здесь труба или что? Пока суппорт. Если здесь трубу, тогда пускай стоит.
What are you doing?
Здесь труба идет?
Идет она короткая, это надо резать. Она будет идти.
That's a tie, and that's when it goes out to the yard. That's a sanitary line going out to the yard. You can see it's a big pipe. That's good. That's a trench, so that's gonna go all the way to the Voodoo area. I mean, yeah, that will go all the way to the kitchen and body wash, and they connect somewhere here.
Listen, let's just stop that up for now and put stone in. And we'll take whatever we need from it later.
The mount is almost here. So 22 and a half, right?
That's 22 and
Yeah, whatever. So it's almost
yeah, that's about it.
And we from the branch to the bottom, hit the levels.
Yes, that's I'm going to put a wet vent on. Что можно пускать?
Всегда, I don't know, they have kept it or not.
So it doesn't matter, we'll still go straight to this,
Okay.
to the
So what is
mountain.
your
Yeah.
Alright. Everything's. So we figured this out, so we're good. We're moving on today. Awesome. Tuesday.
This is how they join them
Plumbing work
together.
is going on. They've dug the trench, as you can see down there. That's the trench, and the guys are laying down the pipe, the sanitary line pipe that's going all the way out. This is the Voodoo area. The man on this side, the woman on the other side over there, and they're laying the line that's going to the kitchen right there. They're doing the trench for that right now. So there's progress going. And I got a call from the civil. I got a text message from the civil today, and I told him everything was fine. That his drawings were good. It was just the plumbing drawings that we need to adjust to match the civil drawing. So today the work is going. We are on track. the plumbing materials on the floor, on the underground plumbing material, the plumbing work. You have the straight pipes, different sizes, and then you have all the elbows and the Ys and the Ts that are going to be connected, and then you have the rubber fittings that's going to be all put together. Yep, it's all going. So I guess this line is for this drain going this way. So this drain, this roof drain coming down, it's gonna go down this way, and then just dig a new trench going that way, and somehow they're gonna connect all the way down there. That's what's going on. See, this is the tool they use to cut in the pipe on the floor. That is a laser leveler, and they got the rollers and stuff. It's pretty cool tools we got here. All right, yeah, moving. They just laid this pipe right here. Yeah, it's Tuesday at the project in the afternoon. Yeah, moving. It's going. Pipe work is going. There's other store belts for the toilet and the floor drains in the wudu area. That is the entrance over there, and this is the wudu area right here. So this are going to the toilet, and as you can see, they start to bury the pipes because the inspector came today and certified their work so far. But once they finish, he asked them to call him back. And that's what we have going on today. And this right here is gonna tie into the floor drain, the roof drains that are coming from up there. And this is how the guys cut them. This is how they split. So that was the women's side, this is the men's side, so they'll get the men's side done. Let's see, working on the men's side. This is the trench for this roof drain right here. So it's been dug. So you can see that is the old clay pipe that is no longer good, so they'll be using a cast iron pipe down there. Because these clay pipes, after time, they usually collapse and break. Yeah. See, like this is one of them right here. We break out the joints right there. And this is the main trench line that will bring those two pipe in the back, the two roof drain in the back. It's gonna bring them through here and connect to the main guy, and it goes out that way. Let's jump this. Yeah, I believe this trench right here is, they found something there. So that's probably that one coming from that side over there, coming this way, but this is gonna be taken out, abandoned. You know, let's keep going. Yeah. So there you go. The pipe has been buried. Awesome. We're here. All right. Here we go. And I gotta look at the drawing to see the one going all the way to the back where that is for. But let me go to the other side over there. I'll go over there so you can see for this roof drain over here. So for this roof drain over here, this is gonna connect and go that way. And then the one down there will connect. Yeah. Let's see what this one is on the drawing. Let's jump this. There we go. All right. Okay. Yeah. So this trench over here is for this guy. For this roof drain over here, there's one, I believe, right there. Right there, that roof drain comes down, and it's gonna go into this, and then goes all the way out there. All right, good deal. It's Wednesday. Today we had the City of Chicago inspector came in today to inspect the underground work that is going on. As you can see, the guys are still working back there. Okay, so they came, but because of what we had happen on Monday, that kind of slowed things down. So they were not far along as they were supposed to be for that inspection. But the inspector didn't understand, and he told them, he gave the plumber his number, that once they finish, they should call him. He will come out and take care of that for them. And also, he did approve what is done so far, which I'll take a video of it. Approved that they can start to bury the work that they've done from yesterday and the day before yesterday. They can start to bury those main lines. And that's good news. So once this guy finished, they will call him, and they have probably a day, maybe hopefully by this Friday they should be done. We'll see how it goes, because these guys are already moving. Not only are they moving, they should be done by Friday, anticipating that they are going to be submitting a change order for the new work, which is this drain lines for the roof that is not on a drawing. It's not on a drawing because I'm not gonna give an answer for that. It's not on the drawing anyway. So they submit a change order to, and we go from there. We'll see how it goes. But there's nothing that we can do. We need it. We have to accept that change order and keep moving. That's it. Good morning. Afternoon, I guess. On this job, per code, we had to use cast iron.
Yes, up. Yes. Yes, up.
Yep.